What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lens is a lifestyle. This one of my hens I got from Baton Rouge. Been having this bird about 2 years. I took him out the prisoner pen, put him in there in the loft, cause my bird's on lockdown. So I was trying to get him broken to my loft. The hawk been coming by and gave the little bird a heart attack. I wanted some babies off of this bird. I didn't get a chance to get any. That's her last egg. You can't see it. In the top. Her last egg didn't hatch. So I was waiting for her to go down again. So we made this little concoction. Something's gonna jump on here, and it's gonna push this down, the screen down, and it's gonna close the lid. Am I a genius or what? Is this gonna work? What y'all think? It's gonna jump down on here, and this is gonna shut the lid, and the bird and whatever try to eat the bird is gonna be in the trash. I'm a genius. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is patent. I did patent this. So if you try to steal my idea, I'm gonna have to charge you. Peace. Well, smart guy. That genius. That's what happened to the bird. The trap did not work. But the hawk came back and finished them off. There you go, smart guy. Genius. Why you didn't tie the bird down to the wire right there, and the hawk would have had to sit right there and eat him. Genius. Well, the other birds, they fine. There, no, that's not him. All right. Well, we were just checking on the trap. The trap didn't work. It almost worked, but not quite. So the hawk ate the bird. The smart guy didn't tie the bird down to the trap, and he sat right there and ate him. And that's what happened. Lens is a lifestyle. We out. What up, gang? Another bird had a heart attack. The hawks is chasing them around every day, giving them a heart attack. Only the strong survive. So this little trap didn't work out for me too well. I had to make some adjustments to it. So we got this one going. It's just the old-fashioned trap. He'll jump on the trash can, bam, jump right in there, go in there and get that bird. He gonna come before 7 o'clock. So I give him about 7:15. He'll be trapped in there by 7:15 a.m. I know he gonna scare all the birds to be in that right there. But yeah, we're gonna take care of it. I don't know what happened to Buddy. I guess he just had a heart attack. So we're gonna use him as bait. Then we're gonna relocate the hawk. Get him out of here, take him to a different area in the wild. There's no birds is harmed in this video, but mine. Stay tuned in. Peace out.